Okay. 69 Kenworth. Got the new series parallel switch hooked in. Battery leads all connected. Here's the old one. It has literally... She's not working, Captain. It's a pretty tough shape. I pulled the cap off the end because it wasn't working on its own anymore, and there was like a pile of rust water right here. It poured out. So what I had to do was, I was trying to figure out if this thing even was working anymore, and I had to use a pair of pliers. Inside the cab, I'd turn the key, push the button, and then have a pair of pliers or channel locks hooked to this and push on it with my foot so it would you know, cross the terminals to make 24 volts and try and kick the starter over. It wasn't working, obviously, and yeah, it's pretty rough. So got a new one in. I'm gonna try and turn it over. See how we go. Truck hasn't run in 4 or 5 years, probably closer to 5 years. So we have movement here. Got movement, team. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Okay. My head's racing. My heart's pounding. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, so that's telling me is that we have starter not working itis. So what I gotta do now, disconnect all of my stinking battery cables, come over here and pull the mighty starter out. Not super excited about that, but it would seem as though that's the next step. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. I will chronicle the next step of this project and see if we can get started. Okay, thanks for watching.